everybody, welcome to my new Scroll reviews and files. Welcome, thank you for tuning in. Alright, so if you guys want to see an unboxing of BoxyCharm, please stay tuned. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna go through this real quick. This is BoxyCharm unboxing. This is kind of slightly different because this was unboxed already. I didn't unbox it, okay? So I usually don't like that because it's just, I don't like to unbox because I want you guys to see my initial reaction to looking at the items, but I've seen these items already. And so this box was not opened by me. It was opened by another family member. My house. Okay, so I digress. But anyway, I got over it or what have you, but it's just like, ugh. But anyway, let's just get to it, okay? Alright, so we're going to start with Tartea's Tarte, the Pro Glow. It's a liquid highlighter. I don't think I've ever tried a liquid highlighter before. So let's just open it to see how it is. And I will do a swatch. I've been swatching all day today. This is the Pro Glow liquid highlighter. So let me try this and see. Oh, I think with the liquid highlighter, I think see, look. You can't put too much. I don't really, Not that now this is my initial reaction because I didn't squeeze it out. This is my first time squeezing it out. That's it right there. Maybe we have to like put a little bit, maybe. Yeah, maybe I'm just doing too much. I'm ODing. So that's what this is, okay? The Pro Glow. All right. Now we have the high definition Adesi. I believe that's how you pronounce it. This is the liquid. This is liquid lipstick. I really don't like nude lipsticks. I'm not really a fan of nude lipsticks. But this, yeah, this is not. Let me see. I've been doing swatches all day today, y'all. This is it, right there. I guess it's okay. It's not too bad, but I may give this to my sister because I don't think I want this. Maybe she'll want it. It smells good though. But I think I'll give it to my sister because I don't know if I want that. I don't got stuff dropping. I might give it to her. But anyway, we have the Dr. Brand Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask. Okay, I'm not going to open this. But I tried Dr. Brand. I forgot what it was, but it was burning. So I don't know if I want to use this. So yeah. I think it's too strong for my skin. I do have sensitive skin. We have the ColourPop Golden State of Mind. I like ColourPop stuff. This is a palette, ColourPop. Oh my goodness. I don't think I want to swatch this. I've been swatching all day, y'all. So this is what it looks like. So if y'all want to see a live swatch of this, please let me know. Because I've been swatching all day and I don't have any more room on my arms. And I think my other arm is ashy. So I think so. I'm not sure. So I don't feel like putting lotion on. So yeah. So this is what it's looking like. And they have names for it in the back. So this is what it is. So they're like metallic-y type deal. So if you guys want live swatches, please let me know and I will do a video on this. Okay. And then we have the brow gel. This is instant brow hair. I may give this to my mom because I don't think I would use anything like this. So I will give this to her. I really don't. Yeah. So anyway, that's basically about that. Yeah. So let's back it on up. All right. So let's get into how much they cost, okay? So the Tarte Tartea's Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter. The glow like a goddess with this creamy highlighter that builds from sheer to intense. Oh, maybe I need to like rub it in. Ultra concentrated pigments and pearls are extended in the hybrid gel cream oil-free formula that you can mix with your Oh, that makes sense. That makes sense. Look at foundation or wear alone for naturally lit luminosity infused with rose water. It slips softly onto your skin. It does, and keeps moisture in with taper squeezable package to put the hot. Okay, that makes sense. So maybe I'll try that. Oh, okay. But you still don't want to OD because you don't want to look too sparkly unless you just want to shine bright like a diamond, I mean. So anyway, this was $29, okay? Now we have ColourPop Golden State of Mind eyeshadow palette, highly pigmented shadow that applies evenly and feels ultra velvety and silky. This long wearing formula contains a unique combination of softer powders which adheres easily to the eyes, gives a soft focus effects, and blends smoothly and evenly. It's $26. So if you guys want me to do a look with that, that palette, please let me know. I'm gonna put in where my palettes are. Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner. This award-winning pore refining mask is extractions specialist in unclogging and tightening the look of pores and reducing the excess oil from the skin surface. $47. Wow, Dr. Brandt. The tinted eyebrow gel with microfibers to achieve a natural hair look, perfect for the customer who wants a quick but natural to fill their brows. $22. Yeah, I think I'm gonna give that to my mom because I'm not gonna use that. A Desi high definition liquid lipstick, luxurious, creamy, long wearing liquid lipstick, provides a dazzling full coverage of a lipstick with the ease of wand applicator, made with advanced polymers and intense pigments for a long lasting brilliant color and intense shine in a single sweet, cruelty free, gluten free, paraben free, EU compliant. $24. And I believe I'm gonna give that to my sister because I'm not really a fond of nudes. I mean, I have, some little nudes here and there, but I'm not too big on nudes. I like dark and bold lipstick. That's just me. But anyway, I digress. So, sorry that it wasn't an unboxing. Like I said before, someone opened it, but it's cool now. I'm over it now. I just like the fact that I like to unbox it or what have you. So it's cool, whatever. I got over it. It's materialistic, so it's fine. You know how little stuff gets to you, whatever like that. Then you just be like, you know what? That wasn't that too much of a big of a deal. Like at the moment, yeah, but But anyway, I digress. But anyway, that's it. So yeah, so that's basically it, you guys. So so I didn't explain BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm, you get it every month, $21 a month. And it has 4 to 5 full-size products that you get. You get some name brands like Tarte, ColourPop tortillas, and things of that nature. And for the value, the grand total of those products I will have annotated in the video so you guys can see, because sometimes it comes to like $100 and something, and that's pretty cool. But sadly to say, I may have to cancel because I am on a budget. To those of you that are following me on my budget, you know that I'm on a budget, and that $21 can go to something else. So probably after the next 3 or 4 boxes, or 2 to 3 boxes, I'm going to cancel, unfortunately. And they did have a waiting list, so they said the waiting list is gone. So if you was trying to get on it, it's gone now so quickly, because they do have waiting lists. Because when I first got on it, I was on the waiting list. So yeah. So if I do, unsub from it, I can always pick it back up. It's not like once you cancel your subscription, you can never go back to it. You can. The only problem is that you may be on the waiting list, because sometimes that happens, because BoxyCharm is very popular. Okay, very, very popular. All right, so that's it, you guys. I'm done with recording today. I don't have anything else to record. I just want to get all this recording out the way, and so I can relax tomorrow. I am off tomorrow now. I'm about to go get something to eat, even though it's late. But and I'm just gonna relax and just chill for tomorrow. No, I'm gonna clean up. But anyway, I digress. That's it. All right, so. But anyway, thank you guys for watching, and if I forgot anything, I'll definitely annotate in the video. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. And thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, comments, comes on the other, asking my kid, nice to meet you on the watching. Peace, bye.